Hi. I'm going crazy. I think I should instead of being a love. I never felt this way before. I really want to be in love with someone, to love, to hate. I don't know. I'm sure about myself anymore. For once, when the band is to the right thing. I have something I have to tell you. I like you. Hey, I have course after the rain, remember?
You?
I can explain, but
Why did you have this?
what did you expect of me running around?
Sure it is.
Yes, read the last page.
No one is reading here. I'm the one writing it.
Read that.
Hey, Diary ng Pangit, which is Aya. It's already morning, and I'm not guilty. Why? Aya was my partner during the midnight party. I know, she was the girl behind the mask, and then suddenly my heart beat. It's weird, but why I'm like this? Maybe it started when we gathered in the hospital, or the student cancer room. I want her to always at my side. I want to talk to her, to see her. And the day passed by, I'm not calling her. That ball, she's not my type. She's not even beautiful, but she's make my world beautiful. God, I like her.
Hey, ugly, say something. Listen, do you really want to write your own version or just want to give our feelings a chance? Iya, will you be my girlfriend?
Yes. Hi. Hi.
Going crazy. I think I should instead of feeling as love.
Hey, Diary ng Pangit, which is Aya. It's already morning. I'm not still asleep. Why? Aya was my partner during that midnight party. I know, she was the girl behind the mask, and then suddenly my heart beat faster. It's weird, but why I'm like this? Maybe it started when we together in the hospital, or in the student council room. I want her always in my side, and the day passed by. I am now calling to her. That's all. She's not my type. She's not even beautiful. And she's not the one who makes my world, but she wants makes my world beautiful. God, I like her.
Hey, ugly,